Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fixed display connection might be limited error on Windows 11, 10. First method is update display adapter driver. Second method is device diagnostic. Third method is update optional updates. Fourth method is uninstall recently installed update. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.